inside the Niger Delta.
And now to River State. Governor Nyesom Wike last week reacted to an allegation by the 2015 governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress APC in River State, Dr. Dakuku Peterside, that the state's #1 citizen insulted custodians of the people's culture and tradition at the quarterly meeting of the State Council of Traditional Rulers in Port Harcourt, the River State capital. In a press statement issued by Commissioner for Information in River State, Mr. Paulinus Nsirim, Governor Wike maintained that the video was manipulated to portray him in bad light before the Rivers people. The governor also accused Dr. Peterside of sponsoring the said video to get political relevance in River State. The statement reads in part, and I quote, "As usual, we were amused by the lame effort by the 2015 defunct Rivers APC governorship candidate Mr. Dakuku Peterside to seek political relevance through a jaundiced interpretation of a mischievously edited video of the interaction between the River State Governor Nyesom Wike and esteemed traditional rulers of River State," unquote. In the statement, the Wike government further observed that Dakuku Peterside and his faction of the All Progressives Congress APC procured a video of an engagement that lasted for over 1 hour and lifted different aspects of the response of Governor Wike to mislead members of the public. Dakuku Peterside had earlier reacted to the video in which Wike allegedly threatened to withdraw state recognition of traditional rulers who failed to carry their staff of office at state functions, and went ahead to describe one of them as troublesome. Dr. Peterside's allegation reads thus, and I quote, "Wike's penchant for embarrassing traditional rulers is becoming irresponsible and shameful. Never in our history have we had such a disrespectful governor. Since 2015, Wike had sacked, deposed, and withdrawn recognition from several royal fathers without any recourse to history and culture. Not too long ago, Wike threatened to depose the Amayanabu of Kalabari Kingdom, King Theophilus Princewill, just as he has severally lambasted traditional rulers as if they were his servants," unquote. At this point, we bring you excerpts from the allegedly sponsored video that went viral on social media.
Before I read my speech, I'll declare this 112 quarterly meeting open. I just want to ask, how many of the traditional rulers came with their staff of office? Can you stand with their staff of office? Okay, still no problem. I hope you understand the implication of staff of office. I cannot be addressing you, and some of you are using your ordinary walking stick when you come here. So since you don't want to have your staff of office, I'll give it to other people. You don't know the authority it carries. You are coming for a quarterly meeting, and what identifies you is your staff of office. It's not for you to take it and go and keep it in your bedroom or put it in your shrine. There are people who worship various shrines. It's for you to, when you're coming out for official function, you come with it. That differentiates you with any other ordinary chief. We must show good example. I agree with what you have said. First, I want to tell the Attorney General to make sure that we propose a bill to the State House of Assembly. If you are not the government-recognized traditional ruler, you cannot answer your royal highness. Stop clapping. You are being selfish. Don't stop clapping. It's not something to clap. It's something that should be done, which is the right thing. It's not because of you, because you won't be there forever. Stop shaking your head. Because that's sacrifice for you. You should stop shaking your head. You are one of those who are causing problems. They gave you chieftaincy. You're a young boy, so you don't even know what to do with it. And then when I'm speaking, you're shaking your head like this. Oh, fake, causing problem everywhere.
Well, since it went viral on social media, Governor Wike's outburst has generated an avalanche of reactions from the viewing public. And this is their impression on the controversial video.
Well, the governor being frank about their staff of office is not a bad idea. Yeah, you are a traditional ruler, you should carry your staff of office. It shows who you are. But I think where you went overboard was embarrassing the traditional ruler that even if he knew him a long time ago, you know, it shouldn't embarrass him that much. You know, we could see the result of his embarrassment on the face of the traditional ruler, even if he's a young boy compared to the age of the governor.
His approach was too harsh. So, but though I plead to the other that they should just keep it aside.
So it was a little bit hard on them. He should have been careful to know that, much as he said that those chiefs will not be there forever, he ought to have known that he too will not be there forever. So, and no matter what it takes, our people say, no matter how small a shrine is, they use two hands to carry it.
Well, it's up to discerning viewers to tell whether or not that video was actually doctored, as the Rivers State governor has insisted.
Inside the Niger Delta,